How to fix CredentialUIBroker.exe Remote Desktop error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Properly configuring remote desktop settings is essential for a successful connection. Misconfiguration can lead to CredentialUIBroker.exe errors. Go to Advanced Settings and ensure that Allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication is checked if security is a concern. The Windows firewall can block remote desktop connections. Ensuring it allows remote desktop traffic is necessary to prevent CredentialUIBroker.exe errors. Scroll down and enable private and public access to the following entries. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Windows includes a set of troubleshooters designed to find and fix common problems. The network troubleshooter can resolve issues that might be causing remote desktop errors. Outdated or corrupt network drivers can cause issues with remote desktop connections. Updating them can resolve CredentialUIBroker.exe errors. Right-click on your network adapter and select Update Driver. Pick Search automatically for drivers and wait. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your device once done. If that didn't work, using System Restore to revert your computer back to a state before the CredentialUIBroker.exe error occurred might resolve the issue.